Back again with English with Mitch. Let's take a walk down the sidewalk. This is a sidewalk here. Over here are plants. These are plants. Very nice plants, as you can see. Here. Over here we call this beauty bark. Beauty bark. It helps to protect the plants from weeds. Weeds are plants you don't want to grow. Over here we go down the sidewalk further and we can see many cars. Many cars. Look at all the cars here. And this is the street here. Street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. And if we keep going down here, we can see the fence over here. The fence looks like it's maybe green. Maybe we call that green. But the garage is yellow. Yellow garage. And so we can walk down the sidewalk. And here is a tree. I live in California, so palm trees are everywhere. Look at that beautiful tree. And here we go, down the trunk of a tree. This is the trunk. The main part of the tree is called the trunk. And now we go down the sidewalk still. And we are enjoying a part of San Diego called North Park. This is North Park. It's a very sunny day. Very sunny day. And then we have another beautiful plant called lavender. And lavender smells good. It smells very good. Everybody likes lavender. It's beautiful. And lavender is what color? We call that purple or violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. And as we go down the sidewalk, we are going to turn right. This is right. We are going to turn right. As we turn right, we see a lot of rocks. These are rocks. Rocks. R-O-C-K-S, rocks. And we are going to go down the sidewalk some more. Sidewalk. S-I-D-E-W-A-L-K, sidewalk. These are beautiful flowers. You can give these to anybody you care about. Man or woman, it doesn't matter. I gave my wife some flowers last week. And these are some beautiful flowers. The sidewalk is very long. L-O-N-G, long. Now we are going to turn around and we are going to go back the other way down the sidewalk. And if you look around, you can see how beautiful this neighborhood is. So what is a neighborhood? A neighborhood is where a lot of people live in houses, apartments, or condominiums. And you can see how nice it is here in California in the North Park area. It's very beautiful. And so we are going to go down the sidewalk again. Remember the palm tree we saw earlier? It has many friends, many other palm trees here. Very beautiful. And if you look down here, you can see plants in between the rocks. See that? There are plants in between the rocks. Oh, look at the sidewalk. The sidewalk is cracked. See that? Cracked. C-R-A-C-K-E-D. Cracked. And if you look down, you can see cars passing by. People are going to work. People are going home. People are doing errands. So what does errands mean, Mitch? Errands are like small things you have to do. Maybe you have to go shopping, take your child to the dentist office, maybe pick up some gifts for a friend for their birthday, things like that. And see the crow? Crow. What color is the crow? Let's look closer. The crow is black. B-L-A-C-K. The crow is a bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Okay, this is English with Mitch. I want to know from you, what kind of birds are around your neighborhood? Tell me. Bye-bye.